Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create a Mother's Day video with InShot materials. The first step is to make a photo slideshow. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Tap Video, import your photos, adjust the duration of your photos, press the double ticks to apply to all. Tap Transition, select the Fade transition, and apply to all. Now save this photo slideshow. And let's move on to step 2, add materials. Tap Video, tap Material, Picture, add the paper material on InShot. Tap PIP, Materials, Green Screen, and import the Mother's Day border. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Tap Cutout, Chroma to remove the background. Now PIP and import the photo slideshow. Import the frame from Materials, reposition it, and tap your border layer so it appears on top, and you're done! What surprise have you prepared for your mom? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.